off my mind.
Hi guys, I've had the most crazy day, guys, like the absolute most crazy day ever, and I've not even finished yet. I'm at this plaza in area 10 that has a bulk of printing places. Yeah, because I needed to make sure I do these goodie bags today and ensure that they are done and done with. Okay, so yeah, that's where I am. They are currently printing right now. Okay, if you hit me, Nigerians, if you hit me, sir, I'll collect your car. Anyways, so they are currently printing the bags right now, the menu cards and the programs. I can't wait, guys. I'm tired. I've had such, in fact, the initial place I wanted to go to get this thing done seamlessly, I couldn't find the place. I went round and round and round area 1 and I couldn't find the place, so I had to come to area 10 instead. But anyways, yeah, I'm super exhausted. I'm hungry, like I'm so hungry. I need to, the first thing I'm going to do once I leave here is to eat because I'm hungry and I'm tired. But anyways, just a little bit of an update there. When everything is ready, I'll show you guys what they are looking like so you can see. But yeah, that's it. My girl is tired, okay? Well, I'm exhausted, I'm stressed out, and I don't like this at all. Fast forward to 2 hours later, guys. I am done. Finally, the bags are ready. Let me show you guys what they look like. They are so cute, so pretty. So yay, these are what the bags are looking like. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, so these are what the bags are looking like. Oh my god, I'm super excited. They look even better than I thought they were going to look. The thing took so much time, but it ended up being worth the wait. This is our program of events. Really cute, and it's laminated, which I really like. Has this glossy finish. And then these are our menu cards. Okay, so these are going to be on the table. This is so exciting, guys. You have no idea. I'm so happy that I've been procrastinating coming to do these things on my own because I know that it's usually a whole day's job. So anyway, I'm happy about that. Right now I'm famished. I need to go and grab a bite before I faint. I have, what's this? I have limca here. I'll probably speak to you guys tomorrow. I don't think I'll be able to vlog anything else today, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow, show you guys the items that we have so far, and yeah, see you guys.
Fill me up with dreams, the only thing I need.
We are glowing today. We are glowing today. Hi guys. Mimi. Hi. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today is Sunday and we are just about leaving the house. Oh, by the way, Jesse is out of town. He left town impromptu like 2 days ago. So yeah, it's just me Mia and Esther at home, which is really strange because, to be honest, Jesse hardly ever travels, so it's super weird not having him around. But yeah, just 3 of us at home this weekend. He'll probably be back maybe by Monday or Tuesday, you know. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, so today is Sunday. We went to church earlier. All 3 of us, we went to church earlier, and now we're about leaving the house. Today is Princess Jekoko's daughter's first birthday. Okay, that was a mouthful, but I've featured her in my vlogs a couple of times. You guys will know her, Princess Jekoko. Okay, so her daughter just turned 1, and the birthday party is today. We're invited, so that is what we're going to write about now. The Ivy said dress code candy colors, so basically just look very shouty and very colorful. See my nails, guys. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at this. Embarrassing, disgrace. But yeah, the dress code said candy colors. So I remember that, oh, I got this in December, and I haven't worn it yet. It's from a brand called All Simple Fashion or All something. I found them on Instagram shop. It has like this PJ vibes that I really like. So it is a shorts right there and a top. Looks like PJs
but it's not PJs. If you know, you know. The PJ trend is trending right about now, okay? And I love this so much. The colors are so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and it literally is what the dress code says we should wear. So yeah, I'm so glad that I have this, and I put on like candy pink lipstick, no lashes because a girl is not bothered. Yeah, we're ready to go. Mia, come, let's see your outfit. She's a bit cranky because I woke her up from her siesta. She was having an amazing siesta, and I woke her up to come and wear clothes and go for party. So she's super cranky. Come now, let's say hi to them. Come and say hi. Hi baby. Oh, she's still yawning. Ewo, sorry my child, I'm sorry. Mia is wearing this cute dress. Mama, where was this dress from again? One of the brands that she worked with last year. I don't know if it's Love Kids or Accountament's Kids Place. I'm not sure which one. I think it's Accountament's Kids Place. Yeah, it's also like this candy blue color, very cute. She's wearing her jelly shoes to match. Okay, and we just made her hair because there's school tomorrow. I'm not about to come back from party and start thinking about hair, so we've done her hair already. So we put these candy colored ribbons on her hair as well. Really cute. Mama, I'm so sorry I woke you from your sleep. You're not happy with me. I'm so sorry. Are you ready to go for your party?
Yeah.
You're ready?
Yeah.
Look more excited. Look at me. You ready to go for your party?
Yeah.
Yes. Come on. Okay, let's go. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you happy? All right, let's go.
How was that?
I don't know where you got that from, Mama. You're always carrying things. Got that from one of my drawers. I'm not sure where. And you're asking me what is that? Oh, look at the horse! Mimi! Oh, wow! Mia is like, that cannot be a real horse, Mom. Hi! Hey, hi! See my babes. The vlogger. Say hi. Hi. Oh, that is a lovely outfit. It's raining rainbows here. Hi. The extra mom.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy.
Hey, Mecca! The one and only. Hello. Hi. Hi.
See enjoyment. Only the part of the celebrant is trekking. Oh! The rest are inside the car. Hey!
Oh, hi, baby.
Give you my heart, you could tear it apart. And if I tell you how I
Character.
My boys. No backward.
Hi, my mama. Hi, my baby. Hi, my mama.
Let's me go
Mama.
this way.
Mama.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise!
Hey, hey.
keep trying, I know it's not.
What is happening? Eh? Hey! Come on! Come on! What is
Outside the country, they all stand up and shout, wow!
Hey, girl!
Tell me.
Yeah.
Come on.
What's your name? See confidence. He's 3 years old.
Oh, how cute.
Do you know the name of the school? The boy who actually came here paid 163 naira per liter throughout the year. So you can finish him like shawarma. Clap for that.
Hey, come on, girl. Come on. Yeah. Hey. Hey. The boy is like, what am I here again? What am I doing here? Hey. So is that FAQ?
Alright, let me take
Hey, what?
Take it back. Can you go down low now? Left foot now, y'all. Take it back now.
Wanna bam bam? Wanna chill with the big boys? Hey! Wanna chill with the big boys? Are you
It's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I know you could be my remedy.
Guys, we are home. We got home about 20 minutes ago or thereabouts. I'm so exhausted. Mia had such a good time. Like, the only thing that Mia wanted to do at this birthday was just jumping castle. That girl did jumping castle throughout the party. Other children were doing other things. Mia Rose just wanted to be doing jumping castle all through the freaking afternoon that we were there. But it was an amazing party. I mean, come on, if you guys are very familiar with Princess Jekoko, you guys know how her things are very, very, very over the top and very extra, and I love it. So it was a very lovely birthday party. They are still dancing, you know. Things are still going on there, but don't more. This is 7:30 to 8 right now. I'm like, Mia, let's go home because you have school tomorrow. You know, so yeah, it was a very beautiful party. You guys saw that celebrant literally came inside with a horse and a carriage. Only Jekoko can do that and get away with it, okay? But yeah, the little celebrant, the 1-year-old celebrant, literally probably has no idea what is actually going on, because as far as I'm concerned, 1-year-old parties are for the adults and, you know, the bigger kids to enjoy. She came in with a horse and carriage. She even had like a second entrance and stuff. Just like, okay, so much to eat, so much to drink, just good vibes, beautiful decor, lovely, lovely, lovely. And Mia had a good time. Tell them all about your party today.
Happy party today.
And you had a good time.
Had a good time.
You had popcorn.
Had popcorn.
You had candy floss.
We had the cake was.
You had rice.
Harry rice.
You had beef sauce. You had fish. You had Chapman. You were jumping. And that was so much fun, right?
Yeah. Huh?
Uh-huh. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Mia got a cute gift bag. Alright. So this is what they gave her. I love this because it's got like a unicorn's face on it. Really pretty. So can we see what's inside?
Yeah.
Yes, come on. Let's open it.
Together.
Yeah, let's open it together. So what's that?
My makeup.
Oh, makeup. Let me see. Oh wow, that's a doll. That's a doll with her handbag and her dressing table. That's really cute. That's really, really cute.
I want to open it too.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the other things first, then we'll open it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a pack of what?
Yeah.
Sweet treats. Chocolates, candy, and some nice sweet treats. Aww. Wow, what is this?
This is my hair.
It's your hair. Good. Wow, you have your own little mini hair straightener. That's so cute. I love the color, Mama. Would you even allow me to use this on your hair? Would you allow me to use this on your hair, Mama? Will you let me?
Yes.
Are you sure you would let me?
Yes.
Okay, if you say so. Well, that's really cute. Oh, what's that?
It's mine.
Your favorite. What's that? Capri Sun. Wow, what is that?
It's mine.
It's yours. Let me see. Oh, this is a Hello Kitty pencil case. Your pencils, your eraser, sharpener, ruler. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, is that all? That's all in the bag. Happy?
Yes.
You're happy? I'm just going to get her ready for bed. Tomorrow is school. Get her ready for bed and get on with the rest of my night. I'm thinking whether I should skip work this night and do all of it tomorrow, but I have a couple of things to do tomorrow as well, so I don't want to shoot myself in the foot. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. What are you doing? You're combing the princess's hair?
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so pretty. I love her table and her chair. So what's her name?
Princess.
Princess. Her name is Princess. Oh, that's a very beautiful name. It's a very beautiful name, Mama.
Mommy, look.
What?
Shoe.
Her shoes? You like her shoes?
Yes.
Are they cute?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're a very good hairstylist, Mama. You are a very good hairstylist, girl. Let me just put her bag for her. Oh, that's a very cute bag.
I want to go to work.
The princess wants to go to work.
Yes.
Okay, princess. I never knew that princesses work, but okay. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I really want to end the vlog right now, but before I end the vlog, something interesting happened. So one of the winners I chose for a day with Almangu in the last vlog reached out to me and said that she's based in America. She's not even based in Nigeria. I don't know how and why I thought she was based in Nigeria. I really thought like she was entering the giveaway with her comments, so I just thought like she was based in Abuja. But, she's not based in Abuja. She's based in the US of A. So I had to tell her that I would give her slots out to somebody else. And going by my list of those comments in terms of people who like have made the most comments and everything, so I just went back to my list. Remember I told you guys in the last vlog that there is someone that has made 82 comments and somebody else 93 comments, and my last winner in the last vlog was the person that had made 93 comments. So it just makes sense to pick the person that has made 82 comments. Okay, let me check for her name. Okay, so I'll be giving that slot out to Adobe Nolly. Adobe Nolly, if you're watching, congratulations. I'm going to be seeing you on the 5th of February. Please leave me a comment down below acknowledging, you know, this slot, and also send me a DM so I can add your name to the guest list if you're available to attend. And yeah, that's it guys. That's just, it's just one small big special announcement right there. small. But yeah, anyway, I want to show you guys like all the things we have received so far from brands that are sponsoring my event. But if I do that, this vlog will be too long. Okay, so let's save that for the next vlog now, shall we? By the next vlog, I'll show you guys every single thing we've gotten so far. We are still receiving some things. Everything is not here yet, but yeah, I'm so excited and I cannot wait to share. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Okay, subscribe, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.